My dear friends, from January till April I was sharing several art tutorials on YouTube channel, and I was already preparing you to some more advanced level of painting flowers. If on YouTube there was scenes and flowers that were an easy way to paint, in this course I invite you to challenge yourself and to paint something more. It doesn't mean that the flowers that I propose you in this course will be difficult ones, but it is true that the level of painting of those is a little bit higher than what you have seen on my YouTube channel. Initially, we will start this course with very easy works that you can find some easy ways to paint different flowers, and then we will slightly go with more difficult works. So we will start with this field of lavender flowers. I will share with you how to paint this beauty of lavenders. You will see how easy you can paint it, and you will enjoy it doing on your own. These kinds of flowers you can do for some specific works, or you can prepare as a postcard for beloved ones. So this is the only work that it is very similar to other art tutorials on my YouTube channel, because it is super easy. Then I propose to you to paint these beautiful blooming flowers. I will share with you how to create the composition, how to draw these flowers, how to make an open flower, how to make a closed flower. As well, I will share with you more details on how to create this transparency in watercolors, and as well I will share with you how to create these glazing techniques. Then I propose to you to paint a field of flowers, and here in this work I invite you to work with wet on wet technique, in which I will be sharing with you how to paint the clouds, the fields in wet on wet technique, and then with wet on dry technique we will already proceed with the details. This work as well will be an easy one, because the next video that I will share will be a little bit more difficult, and you will see that the things that you will learn here you will apply on the next video. So the next video will be about the next art tutorial will be about these beautiful lavender flowers, and how to paint this beautiful sunset on this field of flowers. The same as on the previous work, we will do some work in wet on wet technique and other work in wet on dry technique, specifically the details. I will be sharing how to create these beautiful effects for the sun that you can recreate on your own. Once we have done this, we will proceed into more complexity, and I will share with you how to draw and paint this beautiful open and closed lotus flower. Here I will teach you how to work with glazing technique on these flowers, and then how to apply the wet on wet technique and to recreate this negative painting by adding some green background with different colors of green. Here in detail I will show you how to work with smaller surfaces, bigger surfaces, how to apply the details, how to create the petals that are more visible to us into more detail, and that are far from us that have less details. And the final work, I really love this work. This is about painting hydrangea and enjoying the process of painting as an artist. We won't paint the whole hydrangea, we will paint only a few of those flowers. I will share with you all the steps how to draw this composition, how to prepare the composition. I will show you how to create these beautiful effects in watercolors, and then we will work a lot with glazing technique over here. Each of the work has a reference. I will ask you to share your works, your results, that I can give you feedback. To purchase this course, you have to follow the links below. This course will be available on Etsy, on Gumroad, and on my Patreon. So feel free to choose any of these platforms to buy this course. I will be super happy to see you. Thank you, and let's give it a start.